Assalamu alaikum students, this is Miss Maro from SM Public Academy Campus 5. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. So my dear students, let's start today's lecture. We are going to write composition today. And the topic of our composition writing is Mother's Rights. Okay, what is the topic? Mother's Rights. So, before discussing mother's rights, we need to know what are rights and duties. So, let's see what are rights. Rights are what we want others to do for us. Okay, means what others do for us is our right. And what are duties? Duties are those acts which we should perform for others. Means duties are the acts which we perform for others. Okay? Our rights are others' duties. Let's clear the concept of rights and duties by discussing the example of rights and duties of a child. Okay? So let's see the rights of a child first. Okay? What are your rights? What you want others to do for you? As a child, you have a right to be heard. Means others should listen to what you are saying. You have a right to a childhood. Means you have a right to have fun, to enjoy, and to be safe and secured. Okay? The right to be educated means it's your right to get good education. That's why your parents have admitted you in SM Public Academy. You are having good education here, right? So this is your right. The right to be healthy. It's your right to be healthy. Means others should take care of your health. The right to be treated fairly. It means it's your right to be treated fairly or justly. Okay? So these are some of your rights. And we have rights along with our duties. So, what are your duties as a child? You should help your mom in cleaning the home. This is your duty. You should love and respect your elders. This is your duty. You should respect the family members and listen to them. It means you should obey your elders. This is your duty. I hope the duties and rights are clear to all of you. Now you know what are duties and what are rights. Now think, what does our mother do for us? She cooks food for us, right? She cooks yummy food for us. She plays with us. When she is free, she plays with us. She cleans the home. Means she takes care of the home. She cleans each and everything. She teaches us. She takes care of us. Means our mother does a lot for us. Right? So these are the duties of our mother. She is doing all these things for us. Now she has some rights also. It means there are some acts that we have to do for her, that we have to perform for her, and that is our duties. And our duties are our mother's rights. Okay? So let's start the composition writing on mother's rights. First of all, we have already discussed in our previous composition that a composition consists of 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph is for introduction. The second paragraph is the body of our composition. It contains the supporting details. And the third paragraph is the last paragraph. It has the conclusion of our composition. Okay? So our composition consists of 3 paragraphs. We are going to write our composition in 3 paragraphs. Okay? So first of all, we have to make the word bank. We have to write all the words that comes in our mind related to our topic. I have written some words here. Let's read these words one by one. Loving. Sacrifice. Sacrifice means to give up. Enjoy. Offspring. Offspring means child. Bound. Bound means limit. Humble. Humble means respectful. Tolerate. Tolerate means bear. Okay? Tolerate means bear. Patience. Polite. And the last one is please. Please means to make someone happy or satisfied. Okay? Now, we have to write introduction first. Okay? Our first paragraph is for introduction. In introduction paragraph, we just introduce our topic. And our topic is mother's rights. Okay? Let's read this introduction. Mother is the most loving person on the earth. She is ever ready to sacrifice for her children. That's why she enjoys more rights than any other person in the world. So in introduction, we have just introduced our topic, and our topic is on mother's right. Mother is the most loving person means she deserves the most of our love. She is ever ready to sacrifice for her children, means she prefers her children's happiness over her own. She sacrifices her own things for her children. Okay? She does a lot for her children. That's why she enjoys more rights than any other person in the world. According to Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, the mother is the most deserving person of good treatment from her offspring. It means mother deserves the good treatment from her children. Okay? So, good treatment is a God-given right to mother. Now we are done with introduction. What comes next? Body. Body of the composition contains the supporting detail. Okay, the supporting detail related to our topic. So let's read the body of our composition. We are bound to obey her. We should follow her instructions. We should be humble and polite while talking to her. We should tolerate her anger with patience. We should try to help her in home chores. She has right to keep check on us and scold us. She deserves our love and respect. So it's our duty to obey her, okay? We should follow her instructions and we should make sure that we are polite and humble when we are talking to her, okay? We should talk to her in a very respectful manner. We should tolerate her anger. Sometimes our mother gets angry, right? But we should never ever argue with her, okay? We should tolerate her anger with patience. We should try to help her in home chores. Our mother does a lot for us. She has lots of things to do, so we can help her with her home chores. In this way, we can share her burden. She has right to keep check on us, means she can check each and everything that we are doing. And she has right to scold us when we are doing anything wrong. Okay? So we should never get angry on her. She deserves our love and respect. Okay? So we have written the supporting details. Now what comes next? Conclusion. Okay? In conclusion, we end up our writing. We conclude our topic. Let's read the conclusion. Mother is a blessing of Allah. We should serve her with a smiling face. We should never disappoint her, okay? We should always serve her with a smiling face. We should please her at any cost. Means we should take care that she is happy with us, okay? Pleasing mother means pleasing God. It means that our Allah is happy with us when we please our mom. So pleasing mother means pleasing God. Now we are done with conclusion. Let's write the composition in 3 paragraphs. Paragraph starts with a new line and 2 finger space. This is our first paragraph. You can see the space here. Mother is the most loving person on the earth. She is ever ready to sacrifice for her children. That's why she enjoys more rights than any other person in the world. According to Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, the mother is the most deserving person of good treatment from her offspring. So this is our first paragraph. This is our introduction. Now we are going to start second paragraph, that is our body. Now I am going to start new paragraph from new line with 2 finger space. Okay? We are bound to obey her. We should follow her instructions. We should be humble and polite while talking to her. We should tolerate her anger with patience. We should try to help her in home chores. She has right to keep check on us and scold us. She deserves our love and respect. So this is our second paragraph. Now let's see the last paragraph. Again, new line with 2 finger space. This is a third paragraph, that is the conclusion. Mother is a blessing of Allah. We should serve her with a smiling face. We should please her at any cost. Pleasing mother means pleasing God. So this is our composition. We are done with it. You have to write the composition like this in 3 paragraphs. Okay? Now let's see the copy work. How you have to do this work in your copy. You will do this work in your language copy. Okay? First of all, you will write the index, your serial number, date, and then the name of the topic, that is mother's rights. Okay? After preparing the index, you will prepare the pages. First of all, write date, whatever the date is, homework, and day. Okay? Then on line 1, you have to write composition. On line 2, you have to write the name of the composition, that is mother's rights. On third line, you have to write word bank. Then you will list down the words that we have discussed. Okay? After this page, you have to maintain another page like this. Again, date, homework, and day on the top. Then write mother's right on line 1. Okay? On this page, you have to write the composition. And please don't forget to write the composition in 3 paragraphs. And start the paragraph with 2 finger space from the new line. Alright? That's it. Thank you for watching this video, my dear students. I hope you will do this work very neatly in your language copy. See you with the next lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.